Hello everyone, here's the Runtopia S1 GPS sport watch, and it's put in a really beautiful box. This is a really nice box, and just pull up the box to get it out. Here's the watch itself. Let's just put the watch aside and take a look at the box. You will get an additional magnetic charging cable as well as a user's menu. And here's the watch, very solid watch face, surrounded by iron protector, soft watch band. Let me get this one open. A real-time heart rate monitor right here, and this is the input of the charging cable. You can get the watch started by simply pushing this button. This is the power button, and this one is the navigate button. Here it shows your battery, time, and date. You can click this button to switch functions, jump into the menu. The first one is the exercise, including both indoor run and outdoor run. The second one is the heart rate, which you can measure your current heart rate by choosing the one here. And the features. We got some additional features. This one is the stopwatch, and this one is the compass. The last one is the setting. You will actually get an additional page here, which says today. It will count your daily steps, your walking distance, and the calorie burn by the walking. And let's just get started by choosing the exercise right here, and outdoor run. The second one is the indoor run. The last one is the logbook. The logbook is the place to save all your fitness data within 7 days, so you can access the data at any time you want within 7 days. Choose this one, no history, because this is the new watch. I will actually show you guys the watch with the data on it. Exercise, logbook. See, here's the piece of data, April 8th. Let's click the data. It will show your running distance, like 3 kilometers, and the running route, and the time, average pace based on your speed, and heart rate, stride length, cadence, and calorie burns by that running. Okay, now I'll show you guys a pair to watch with the Runtopia app. Once you have paired the watch with the app, the data on your watch will be automatically uploaded to the Runtopia app. The app will generate a running results to a specific data as well as the running map. Let's take a look at its function. The first one is called the watch face. You can switch the watch faces right here. And the second one is the unit of measure. You can set it to metric, which means kilometer instead of the mile. And a battery life right here. You can turn on the smart audio coach function, which means if you want to run with both the watch and the Runtopia app, the smart coach function will just give you some running tips if you turn this function on. Additional settings will be showing right here. The first one is the message notification, text messenger, text message, Facebook Messenger, Twitter, etc. And incoming call reminder. Here we go with the sedentary reminder, which you can, simply change the interval to 45 minutes. And the last one is the alarm clock. Also, if you have any question, you can just choose the FAQ here. Then you will find an answer for some simple questions, like why can't my watch's GPS be located? And click this one, you will find some, answers for a specific question. Also, if you have a really serious problem related to the device, just click feedback here. So you can send your request to our group directly. Then, we will just get back to you within 24 hours. Alright, let's now just start running with a helpful device.